Welcome to No Niche Pasture, where I review AI tools as well as give you a tutorial on how to use the software. Today, I will be reviewing a software called Nextify AI, so if you are interested in learning more, keep watching my video. And when you first sign up with Nextify, you will receive a free 30 credits upon sign up. After you generate your first project, you do get a bonus 30 credits. That's 60 credits. That's 60 credits that you could try for the free. And you know, we love the free. Everything that you need will be in my description below. This is the homepage for nextify.ai. As you can see, the website's at the top. Nextify.ai, the next generation of AI advertising creation. And down here are some of the videos that are generated. I like this one. I'm a coffee girl, as you can see. Anything with coffee or money catches my eye.
Hi, everyone. Check out.
Okay. So as you can see, they do speak. She's cute. What's she promoting?
Soft, adorable, and heartwarming. Hang it up and add a little warmth to your day.
That's cute. All right, let's see something that's more me. Let's do this one. I haven't done a food video yet. So here it shows you what video, what image they used. She used a reference image of her, basically her body with her face, and vacuum sealing the meat. And then she has a prompt underneath here. And they are using VO 3.1. So I'm gonna remix it and I'm gonna make my own. So I don't want to use this image. I'm gonna use my own. I'm actually gonna go to ChatGPT to generate my own image. So we're gonna go over to ChatGPT. I need, I need a image of a woman vacuum sealing fish. Enter. Okay, polishing. Ooh. Okay, so they got two options for me. So I'm going to go with number 2 because I like how it looks. And I'm going to save the image. Save. And I'm going to go back to Nextify. Okay, so click product image, or you can also go to a website and put a link as it says right here where it says fetch URL. You can go to the website, copy it, and paste it. But I'm not doing that. I'm doing files. So upload image, click, open, edge to the ISO. Okay, so we're gonna save that picture. Okay, so our picture is in there. And we're not going to use this script. We're going to use our own because we don't want to copy her or whatever. We are our own people. So we are going to go back to ChatGPT to get our script. I need a script for this image. I am using a B-roll feature. Oh, can I spell? I am using a B-roll feature on Nextify. Here is an example prompt that was already generated. I want you to make it my own. I'm going to go back to nextify.ai and I'm going to copy this script. And I'm going to paste it just so it has a better idea of what type of scripts you want and you don't have to start from zero basically. All right, so I sent the prompt. So we are going to use that. We are going to copy it and copy. We're going to go back to Nextify, delete lists, and paste our new script. And they are using VEO or VO 3.1. And let's click generate. All right, I'm back. Oh, she's finished? Oh, let's see. All right, so let's click on her. Okay. It looks good. I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. Y'all, this looks really good. This looks really good. So she vacuum sealed it. So I would cut it right here. Let me see. Right, let me show you where I would cut it. I would cut it right here. So I would cut it at 6 seconds. The whole video is 8 seconds, but 6 seconds is all we need. Like, it looks really good. Like, let's zoom in. Y'all not gonna let me zoom in? But it looks really good. So let's zoom in. This is fire for my first prompt using this. So, got the salmon. Like, look how realistic it looks. She has the lemon. The lemon is seasoned. She got her Apple Watch on. This looks good. Okay, so I'm going to download this video. Make sure you download your video as soon as you're done generating it. Open the file. Fire! Do you hear the sound effects? Period. Wow, so I'm stunned and amazed. I'm really stunned and amazed with this. I want to try some more. But I'm going to save that for another video, okay? But let me know in the comments what you guys think about Nextify.ai. I love it. Bye.